Open it.
Are you number 10?
Sir.
Home Depot card.
Papa's gonna steal that from you.
$10.
You know, Papa gets it.
10. You are number 10.
Hey, mama. Hey, mama. Hey, mama.
Amy, you take steal from me. You want some spices and hot sauce?
Or no, still from my dad.
I hate Home Depot.
Aaron, this is the biggest clickbait.
She got the red bag.
That's pretty cool.
Hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate! It's a video, guys. It's a video.
We're all famous on that Facebook.
Hey. Yeah. Still.
Okay, she's coming for you.
Oh!
Wait, so what does Melanie get? She can get steal.
I can steal or get one.
Steal or get one.
Steal
the lotion from my dad. That's awesome, right?
Steal the spices.
Yeah. Candy. Candyland. Number 12. Just kidding.
They're still from my dad. Yes,
Don't you want the hot sauces and spices?
What are you doing? Number 13. Here's a speaker. Let me see. Wow. You can put music on.
Sam wanted this one.
How about Tiger? Megan. First lady.
We need a number 13. We have a 13.
Jojo, you should take some spices.
Medium gifts and large gifts.
Jojo, you want some spices?
The 13 is
That's her,
No.
not ours.
You forgot.
Inside first.
You should really invest in
I
some hot
was
sauce.
looking at this. And then I said no.
Ooh, the snowman. The party's here. Shalina's here.
Isaiah's here.
Lucas here.
Number smoking. She has a look on her face.
Candle. Candle. I like a candle. Stars.
That's getting stolen.
I'm going on the snow to Tehachapi. That'll be insane. Still. Shrek.
Steal the lotions. Papa, steal Sam.
Oh, yeah.
Posting on YouTube.
Papa, steal Buddy. Hey, Buddy, Papa. Yeah.
Keep it.
Oh,
Yeah, you have to tell everybody.
Paper!
Paper. Oh.
There you go.
Clarence. Luke, buddy.
No, but if you want some spices and hot sauce,
Don't be
we
afraid.
got highly the Home Depot. Steal now. Steal now. Take the spices.
Hey, Amy.
Take the spices.
Fan of me.
You're gonna make that combination. Y'all like hot chocolate. Take the sauce. I would like to steal from Sydney.
Oh, ho, ho.